I think the next one that's coming is AI and the way that's affecting business. And so, I think the importance is ever growing. We see it in the businesses we own. If I sort of go a little meta, when we acquire a business, we think the fundamental difference we can make at the sort of scale and size of businesses we buy is implementing that sort of digital transformation for the businesses and partnering with people such as yourself to help the business do that. And the best example I can give is when we started acquiring the education businesses, we took a view that we wouldn't change any of the back-end systems that they had in place because those projects can be a bit painful, they're timely, costly, they never run on budget. But after a while, we came to the view that we had all this sort of siloed data, we had these archaic systems. Just because someone knew that system, they didn't know how to use that system, so we had no redundancy across the organisation at all. And to support all that was just becoming more and more difficult. So we just ripped the Band-Aid off and said, no, we're going to go to all common systems across the organisation. And we've got businesses that might have a revenue of, say, 4.5 million to businesses that have a revenue of 50 million within the group. So that sort of have to be careful how we do that. But the way it's fundamentally changed our business is just remarkable. And the data we can now get access to, big users of things like Power BI and the like, and the way in which we can then make decisions, the way in which we can be more efficient in the way we run the business, and then things we can build on top of that when new technology comes along. We're not building on top of this really archaic thing that is going to be really difficult to support and really costly to build on top of.